Are you confused on knowing how to use your essential oils? Well, you can kick that to the curb with learning how to make your own diffuser blends. Let's make this Intention Diffuser blend so that you can stay on track and keep up with your New Year's resolutions. Because with this diffuser blend, you'll go from confused to confident in no time. Hi, I'm Summer Whitnaven, certified aromatherapist, and I love teaching you how to use your essential oils. Turn off those distractions because making is healing and get ready to get started. Here's what you need to make this recipe. You'll need your handy dandy essential oil recipe box, your recipe cards. For this diffuser blend, you're gonna need Sweet Dreams. You'll need oregano essential oil. You'll need Peace and Quiet and Lavender 4042. You can get all of that in your monthly recipe box. Next thing you'll need is your big bonus box so you can make a master blend of this recipe. I'm gonna take the lid off. So I'm going to grab Sweet Dreams, and we need 42 drops to make a master blend. Next, you'll need Peace and Quiet, and we need 29 drops. Next, you'll need 14 drops of Lavender 4042. And lastly, you'll need 14 drops of oregano essential oil. Next thing you'll need to do is just to re-screw that cap back on and then shake it up. Next, you'll need your sticker. Lie your bottle flat. All right, and then it's all set. You can make this. The Simply Earth monthly recipe box makes it so easy to make natural recipes. Go make it. And I love to see your creations, so be sure to take lots of photos and then tag From Simply Earth with hashtag I made this. You'll love using essential oils with confidence and clarity.